Hey everyone, it's me again. I'm back. I had literally just recorded the previous episode regarding Michael Burt, Tyler Robinson's death penalty attorney. And I thought I'm going to do a quick search on Grok to see who else, like what other high profile cases that Michael Burt has been an attorney for. Now, quite a few, quite a few. I mean, a few of them. One that stood out to me quite a bit. So I'm going to pull them up really quickly. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. I'm growing my channel, so I can use all of the subscriptions I can get. Okay, so if you did not watch the video I uploaded just before this one, I absolutely highly urge you to do so you can get a little bit more background on what I'm referencing here. But again, I decided to find out who Michael Burt has also, sorry, I'm reading, worked on behalf of in regards to high profile cases. We have the Menendez brothers case, which I had already spoken about on the previous episode. We have Eric Robert Rudolph, which is the Olympic Park bomber. He represented Rudolph in 1996. Richard Ramirez. Wow. The Night Stalker. Didn't know that. That's pretty crazy. Okay. Tyler Robinson and the Tree of Life synagogue shooting in Pittsburgh, 2018 to 2023. This one I find interesting. Michael Burt was part of the defense team for Robert Bowers, convicted in the deadliest anti-Semitic attack in the U.S. history, killing 11 worshipers at the Tree of Life synagogue. Awful. Obviously, this is awful. Burt focused on the penalty phase, again, because he is a death penalty attorney. They definitely went the route of... Sorry, I'm just looking here. They went the route of, him being mentally unstable. However, Bowers was sentenced to death. I have no idea when that is supposedly going to take place. I think he's just at this point on death row. I didn't know much about this case, and I have a lot to look into. So if anyone has information, I would love to hear it. I'm going to just do a quick overview here for those of you who may not be aware. Let's see here. Let me just see which one I want to start with. I've tried to go through really quickly here the Wayback Machine, because what I was trying to find out was why he did what he did. And we all know that that is a tricky thing to research these days. So let me pull this up. I'm flying by the seat of my pants here because I was not expecting to see that. And so I am not sure if this is the page I wanted to look at, but we're going to look at them anyway. So Robert Bowers had been institutionalized for psychiatric issues and has attempted suicide. One of his lawyers told a federal court at this point when they were doing this article. This might have been when I was just trying to look up information specifically connected to Burt's involvement. Let me go ahead and actually... Sorry, guys, this is a little bit all over the place, but... what I wanted to find out was what he was saying on this Gab social media platform. I've never heard of this platform. I created an account just to go on there. Of course, his account has been deactivated. So we're going to share this one here. Okay. So this states, so for those of you who aren't aware of the situation, if you weren't, Bowers stormed a Pittsburgh area synagogue with a semi-automatic weapon, shouting, "All Jews. I'm trying to not get myself suppressed here. Must die. Okay, awful stuff. Obviously, I absolutely, in every way possible, do not agree with what he's done here. And I know nothing about it. He could just be a very unwell man. I don't know. Bowers was soon identified online as having an account on the Gab social media network, launched in the late summer of 2016. Gab was developed specifically as an alternative to Twitter and Facebook, where users could freely traffic in the basest kinds of hate speech. I guess that's just trying to refer to the word based. I don't know. Based, is that based? Is that how you spell it? I would have never spelled it that way. Am I just ridiculous? I thought I didn't. Oh, well, you learn something new every day. It was quickly adopted by followers of the alt-right. Okay. So they have some screenshots of some things he's written here on this. He's also reshared a lot of posts as well. HIAS, which is Hebrew Immigrant Aid Society, is an American agency that services refugees populations around the world. He stated here that they like to bring in invaders that kill our people. I can't sit by and watch my people get slaughtered. Screw your optics. I'm going in. They also in this connect this to like Donald Trump at the time. I find all of this very interesting. They're waging a propaganda war against Western civilization, and it's so effective that we are headed towards certain extinction within the next 200 years, and we're not even aware of it. You are living in a critical time in history where the internet has given us a small window of opportunity to snap our people out of their brainwash. It's interesting. This I find very interesting. Again, so here they are referring to the influence from Donald Trump onto Robert Bowers. I've noticed a change in people saying illegals that now say invaders like this. I'm not sure what that's referencing. Let's see. Some of these I didn't see the connection. Trump is a globalist, not a nationalist. There is no MAGA as long as there is a infestation. QAnon is here to get patriots that were against martial law in the 90s to be the ones begging for it now to drain my swamp. But go ahead and keep saying you're #winning. I don't know, guys. This feels real specific, right? Like, does this not feel really specific to current? I just find it interesting that the same defense attorney is connected to this case as well as the Charlie Kirk case, and Charlie Kirk's case is connected to the Trump presidential election. Like, there's so many things that are connected here. I just find this very, very interesting. Again, we saw in the last video the odds of Michael Burt being assigned to a high profile case like Tyler Robinson's, as well as the Menendez brothers, and that was like a 0.03 to 0.1% chance of him representing those two high profile cases, and now we have this one here as well. I would love to know what people think of this. I would love to know if you have any additional information about this particular case, because again, like I said, I'm sure I heard of it at the time. There's so much news these days that it's so hard to keep up with. So I'm going to do some deep diving into it and see if I can make any other connections. But I find all of this very intriguing. So let me know your thoughts. Please like and subscribe, share this content, and maybe I'll be live again later tonight, and I'll talk to you all then. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe in this new storm coming up. If you didn't see the last video, hopefully you guys all stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye, everyone.